Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve success effortlessly, while others struggle just to get by? It all starts with the way we think. Welcome back to One Step Forward, the channel where we believe that every page you read is one step forward towards a better you. Are you ready to dive into the wonderful world of self-improvement and personal growth? Today, we're talking about one of the most influential books in this genre, As a Man Thinketh, by James Allen. This book is not just any self-help book, it's a classic that has stood the test of time. In fact, it's been around for over a century, and its wisdom is still relevant today. If you're looking to cultivate a positive mindset and improve your life, then this book is a must-read. But don't worry, we're not here to lecture you. We'll break down the key takeaways in a fun and engaging way. The main idea behind this book is that your thoughts have a powerful impact on your life. In other words, if you want to change your life, you need to change the way you think. It's a simple concept, but it can be life-changing if you apply it. Think about it. Have you ever noticed that when you're in a bad mood, everything seems to go wrong? Or, on the flip side, when you're feeling positive, everything seems to fall into place? That's the power of your thoughts in action. And this book takes that concept to the next level. It shows you how to harness the power of your thoughts and use it to create the life you want. It's not some magic formula or quick fix. It's a mindset shift that requires consistent effort and dedication. But don't worry, the book is packed with practical advice and actionable tips that will help you get there. And the best part? It's a short read, so you can easily fit it into your busy schedule. If you're ready to transform your life by changing your thoughts, then As a Man Thinketh is the book for you. Stick around for the key takeaways and benefits of reading this book. Takeaway 1. We are the masters of our thoughts. Have you ever caught yourself daydreaming about the perfect life you wish you had, but then quickly snap out of it and think, yeah, right. Like that'll ever happen? Well, according to James Allen's As a Man Thinketh, you might want to rethink that attitude. This book teaches us that our thoughts shape our reality, and that we are in control of them, not the other way around. So, the next time you catch yourself dreaming big, don't dismiss it as impossible. Instead, embrace it, and make it a reality through the power of positive thinking. Who knows, you might just surprise yourself and achieve what you once thought was impossible. Takeaway 2. Mindfulness is key. It's all about being present in the moment and paying attention to what's going on in our minds. If we let negative thoughts run rampant, they'll take over faster than a toddler on a sugar rush. But if we stay mindful and catch those negative thoughts before they get too comfortable, we can nip them in the bud and keep our minds in a more positive place. Think of it like training a puppy or a cat if that's more your style. If you let them do whatever they want, they'll wreak havoc on your home and sanity. But if you train them to behave and follow the rules, they'll become a loyal companion and bring you joy for years to come. Our minds are the same way. We have to train them to behave and focus on the good stuff, or else they'll turn into a feral animal. Let's practice some mindfulness together. Take a deep breath and focus on the present moment. Let go of any negative thoughts that might be lurking in your mind, and instead, think about all the good things in your life. Trust me, it's a game changer. Takeaway 3. The importance of self-reflection. We all know that we're not perfect. We make mistakes, we have flaws, and we have negative thoughts that can hold us back. But did you know that one of the best ways to overcome these obstacles is through self-reflection? That's right, taking the time to reflect on our thoughts and beliefs is crucial for personal growth and success. In As a Man Thinketh, James Allen emphasizes the importance of self-reflection, and it's not just some fancy idea he made up. Research shows that regular self-reflection can improve our decision-making, boost our self-awareness, and increase our overall well-being. The next time you find yourself feeling stuck or unsure about your next steps, Take some time to reflect on your thoughts and beliefs. By doing so, you can identify any negative thought patterns that might be holding you back and work towards eliminating them. It's like taking out the trash in your mind, except instead of smelly garbage, you're getting rid of negative thoughts that are cluttering your mind and hindering your progress. Don't underestimate the power of self-reflection. It's not just for the hippies and yoga enthusiasts, it's for everyone who wants to improve themselves and their lives. Takeaway 4. Gratitude is the attitude. According to James Allen, being grateful for what we have is the key to unlocking more abundance and happiness in our lives. It's like the universe hears us saying thank you and goes, "Oh, they appreciate what they have. Here, have some more good stuff." It's important to take a few moments each day to reflect on the things we're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of coffee in the morning, or the love and support of our friends and family. By focusing on the good in our lives, we're sending out positive vibes into the universe and attracting more good things our way. But let's be real, it's not always easy to feel grateful when life throws us a curveball. That's where the practice of gratitude comes in. It's like going to the mental gym and working out our gratitude muscles. The more we practice, the easier it becomes to find the silver lining in any situation. The next time you're feeling down, take a deep breath and think of 3 things you're grateful for. It might not change your situation, but it can change your mindset and help you see things in a more positive light. Trust me, gratitude is where it's at. So, what are the benefits of reading As a Man Thinketh? Let's check them out. Benefit 1. Gain control over your thoughts. You know that voice inside your head that sometimes says you're not good enough? Well, reading As a Man Thinketh can help you shut that pesky voice up and take control of your thoughts. Benefit 2. Learn to think positively. Who doesn't want to be a positive thinker? This book can help you learn how to focus on the good things in life and avoid dwelling on the negative. Benefit 3. Improve your mental and emotional well-being. As a Man Thinketh can be your personal therapist. By changing your thoughts, you can improve your overall mental and emotional well-being. Benefit 4. Unlock your full potential. We all have a hidden potential waiting to be unleashed. There you have it, 4 amazing benefits of reading As a Man Thinketh. If you don't want to miss out on the opportunity to change your life for the better, then don't forget these takeaways. Takeaway 1. We are the masters of our thoughts. Takeaway 2. Mindfulness is key. Takeaway 3. The importance of self-reflection. Takeaway 4. Gratitude is the attitude. If you're ready to take control of your life and achieve your dreams, then this book is a must-read. Want to dive deeper into the world of personal development? Then be sure to check out our recommended resources in the description below. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about As a Man Thinketh and are excited to put these teachings into practice. Remember, your thoughts have the power to shape your reality, so choose them wisely. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take one step forward and enjoy the journey of learning.